Morning, double whammy today. Killing two birds with one stone, as they say. I've been down to about 20 miles away from Chicksands Bikepark to pick a set of forks up for my hardtail. Mission one accomplished, but it is absolutely pissing it down. What Gordon doesn't know, he's here to test his new bike out, which is the Identiti Mettle. I haven't told him yet I'm going to take him off the drops. Now Gordon doesn't like drops, so this is going to be a bit of a surprise for him. Hopefully, no bones broken. Bones broken, but catch you on the trails. Okay, for the purpose of the camera, Gordon is destined to die today for the simple reason he tried to put a new helmet on without dropping it first. No. You've got to drop your helmet just from that height onto the floor. Just do it. No. There you go. So Gordon's first time on clips at Chicksands Bikepark. You're gonna love this one. Clips.
Oh man, I didn't think clips would be so difficult to get used to.
Sloppy at Chicksands today. We're expected 60 mil of rain in the next 2 days. Just a warm up, just to get the feel. Oh, following Gordon down the single track. Identiti Mettle. Show me your metal! That Identiti definitely accelerates better than the Trek. Flying around the berms, Gordon. I love it here, the progression that it gives you from this easiest track to the harder ones. It's so subtle. Like little jumps that you can take off on or roll off on. They've really planned this track out well. Gordon's jumping in with the comps. That's one way to go over the bars. Look at that sexy thing. Look at that sexy bike. We're not here to talk about my bike now. We're here to talk about Gordon's bike. We're going to do a mini bike check. I'm not going to do a review because he hasn't had it long enough to do a review. So let's go through step by step what he's got. Bergtech bars, cut to 780 I believe, with a 25mm rise. Hope 35mm stem in purple to match the bike. It's the Identiti Mettle, but I did mention that in the last video. It's completely in Visi frames, which is good. It's got a 4XT group set. First time riding clipless pedals. It's got a RockShox, I think it's the Monarch. Yeah, the RockShox Monarch. 150 travel at the back. He's got the RockShox Pike on the front. 160 travel. Feels a lot better than my Lyric, funnily enough. At the front he's got Halo Vapor 35mm rims with standard Halo hubs with a Magic Mary 2.35 and a Mud Hugger guard on the front. On the rear he's got a Hands Damp Addict Super Soft Vapor 35s again with the standard Halo Vapor hubs that come with those wheels. He wants to upgrade to a Super Hub, but again it's getting used to the bike first. SDG titanium rail. So he's going to ride it today. We'll have a little bit of a comment at the end of today of what he thinks of the bike, and we'll do a long-term review in say 3 months time.
2 hours later.
Alright, Gordon's doing the practice drops. Go for it. There you go, easy. Right, straight for the medium one. Do exactly the same, no different. No different.
One more, yeah?
Let's go for it. Yeah. Right, follow my speed. You're not going too fast off it. Fucking hell, man. There's just two things that you got to remember going off. No front brake, half a second in the air on the small one, 1 second in the air on that one. That's all it is. It just looks worse than it is. Is he going to do it? Is he going to do it? He's going to do it. Go for it. Go. Pedal more. Pedal more. No. You are blocked. The Identiti Mettle. And now we're going to test Gordon's Mettle. It's no word of a lie, mate. It's one of them. You're like, oh shit, 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 shit. Yeah. When you do it, you're like, what on earth was I worried about? Just go right behind me. Follow my speed. Don't worry about it.
Oh, mate, I don't think I'm ready for that.
This is so easy, Gordon, trust me.
If I had my flats on, I'd do it. But these are just...
No, you're safer on clips. You're 100% safer on clips. Your bike's not going to come away. This is easy. I wouldn't let you do anything silly, mate. Trust me.
I'm shaking.
Okay, that's shake. You ready? Not even fast, mate. Not even fast. Come on!
2,000 years later, 6.5 hours later.
Alright, we're going to go progression. Gordon's just going to roll down there rather than doing the drop first. Just roll, no back brake, no front brake. There we go. There we go, a bit of a jump at the bottom. Well done, mate. Alright, G-Dog is on my bike and I'm on the Mettle. Let's see what the Mettle's made of. I'm scared. I'm actually quite scared because this is a lot lighter than mine, so I can see myself taking off quite a few times. Feels about the same actually. Right. Felt quite similar. Yeah. You know, it does, doesn't it? Like, really felt.
There's no difference at all.
No, not in suspension or anything. Getting the hang and the feel of the bike. Yeah, you just can't get the hang of clips at the moment. But that'll come by the end of today. I reckon you've got that. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Muddy, so I don't know if there's any mud on the lens. Sorry if there is. Ready?
Is there drops on there?
No, no. Oh, a little one, yeah, sorry. Swapping bikes again to feel the comparison. I think he's on. Here you are. Here you are. Track stand to get your feet in the pedals. Ah!
I didn't think clips would be so difficult to get used to.
He's sharking stuff.
Bloody hell.